Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 11 power 1 by 4 minus 1 multiply 11 power 3 by 4 plus 11 power 1 by 2 plus 11 power 1 by 4 plus 1. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we can see these two brackets with multiplication sign. So first we multiply 11 power 1 by 4 with the second brackets all number and then with minus 1. So let's start. So first you multiply 11 power 1 by 4 multiply 11 power 3 by 4 plus 11 power 1 by 4 multiply 11 power 1 by 2 with the second number. Now 11 power 1 by 4 with the 11 power 1 by 4 plus 11 power 1 by 4 plus 11 power multiply 11 power 1 by 4 plus 11 power 1 by 4 multiply 1. Now with minus 1. So minus 1 multiply 11 power 3 by 4 plus minus 1 multiply 11 power 1 by 2 minus 1 multiply 11 power 1 by 4 and minus 1 multiply plus 1. Now we know the exponent rule, that is x power a multiply x power b is equals to x power a plus b. So we can apply this rule here. So 11 power 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Similarly, in next two term, we can write 11 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 11 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 11 power 1 by 4 and here minus 11 power 3 by 4 and minus 1 multiply 11 power 1 by 2 minus 11 power 1 by 2 minus 11 power 1 by 4 and plus 1 multiply minus 1 is minus 1. Now we are going to solve this. So it becomes 11 power 4 by 4, that is 1. 11 power 1 is 11 plus 11 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. It will take the LCM. LCM is 4. So 1 plus 2, that is 11 power 3 by 4. So plus 11 power 3 by 4 plus, in this case, 11 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So 11 power 2 by 4, or we can write it as 11 power 1 by 2. So 11 power 1 by 2 plus 11 power 1 by 4 and rest out the terms. I will write the same. Now, here is 11 plus, so here is plus 11 power 3 by 4 and here is minus. So we cancel out these. Similarly, plus 11 power 1 by 2 and minus 11 power 1 by 2. We cancel out, and here plus 11 1 by 4 and minus 11 1 by 4 cancel out. So only minus 1 left. So plus minus is minus, so 11 minus 1 is 10. So that's how you can solve this type of problem without using calculator. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.